The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ross County, southeastern Pickaway County, southwestern Hocking County until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Andersonville, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Kingston, Chillicothe, Hocking Hills State Park. In addition, Whistler, Hallsville, Adelphi, Laurelville, Morseville, Londonderry, South Bloomingville and Islesboro are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. Tornadoes can develop suddenly in these conditions. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.